Welcome to Aurelia Ridge duplex model. Pasok tayo guys, medyo ginabi na po tayo. And welcome to our Aurelia duplex. Kitchen area. Laundry area. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng dirty kitchen if you like. Guys, sama kayo sa akin. Akyatin po natin. We have 3 bedrooms here at Aurelia Ridge. Bedroom 1 for boys. Ang setup niya is for boys. Or guest room, pwede rin po siya. And for girls, maluwag, very spacious. Kasi ang mga computer sets. Ayan. Toilet and bed. Ayan. Ito po yung ating master's bedroom. Toilet and bed. Very spacious po ang ating tailor-made, ating Aurelia Ridge. And sa hallway po, meron din siya toilet na nakabukod. So, bali, tatlo po ang toilet natin dito. Taas ang ceiling niya. And for more details, for more info, DM me lang po or call me on my number 0965 1474 368. Diba? And with built-in cabinets. Sarah? Ayaw mo, Sarah. Ginabi na tayo. Welcome to Aurelia Ridge duplex model. Thank you and God bless everyone.